Welcome to Life Made Simple. What we're working on today, I think, is a power window multi-switch. How do I think that's the case? Turn on the ignition. Down on the driver's side, works great. Down on the passenger side, if I press this one, works fine. So that tells me it's not the motor, and it's certainly not this switch, because that's working fine. This one worked intermittently, and now it doesn't work at all. So based on that initial diagnosis, I don't think it's necessarily an issue with the wiring, because I know this side works well, and it's not an issue with the motor, because this side obviously works if you use that switch. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take this panel apart, take a look at the switches, and see if there's something in there that I can clean or maintain, and get it hopefully working again. Taking this apart is pretty easy. First step is just prying this off a little bit. It's just a cover. Put it to the side. And then it's got two 10mm bolts there. Alright, what do we notice different here? Clean contacts, corrosion on those contacts. Some basic electrical contact cleaner. Let's see if that gets the corrosion off of here. Might as well clean these ones while I'm at it. Just a little bit, but they already look pretty good. Okay, get all those contacts lined up correctly again. You can feel they're all clicky. And then this one goes back up here. I don't know what came out with this, but it did. So I'm just going to put it back in there. And then we'll slot this back in here. Okay, let's plug these back in. Nice. Well, it looks like we got a success with the power window switch. Cleaning that fixed it. Reinstallation of this is just the reverse. Basically, you're going to snap this back in place, and then all you do is you take this, put the bolts back in, put the plastic cover back on, and you're done. Like, subscribe, comment, and hopefully this was helpful. Thanks, everybody.